Hi, I'm Kevin McDonald, Industrial Controls Sensors and Safety Product Manager with McNaughton-McKay. I'm very pleased to share with you a video put on for my counterpart at the Reynolds Company, David Aldridge. He is going to show you how easily and quickly it is to download AutoCAD drawings for Rockwell Automation and Allen Bradley products.
To download CAD files for Rockwell Automation or Allen Bradley products, first open an internet web page. At the address line, type in www.ab.com. The Allen Bradley homepage will be displayed. Scroll across the header until you see the documentation section. Scroll down and highlight Product Drawings and hit Enter. A new Product Drawings web page will open, and in the center screen there's a search field that you can type in the catalog number for the CAD drawing you need. Type in the catalog number and select Enter. A new configuration results page will open for that product. On the right hand side there's a supplementary documents section. Here you can see the different files that are available and the different formats. To select the format you need, click on the hyperlink and the drawing will begin to download. This product also has a Drawings tab that you can select. It will also provide you the additional formats that the drawing is available for downloading. Another quick and easy way to download drawings is to use Rockwell Automation's Proposal Works tool. Here I have the Proposal Works tool running, and you can see I have an equipment list of different products. To download the drawings, simply click the Documents tab at the top of the header. A new screen will open up, and you can see the different supplemental documents that are available for these products. Here I have a 25B-D010 Nancy 104 PowerFlex 525 drive. To download the 2D dimension drawing, I simply double click on this line and the drawing will begin to download.
For additional questions or more videos like this, give us a call or visit our website.